I cannot see very well, but the echoes of my chops help me find my way. So this one is hanging on the branch, sleeping, right? This one is hanging under the roof, sleeping too. Chop, 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 chop. Oh, this one is chasing the insect. They're living at night. At night, they come out to go hunting. Okay, you want to hear one more time the sound of the bat? The bat? What are you shining? Junior?
I'm shining itchy.
Your leg is itchy? Why?
Leg brother.
No, okay, so, oh my god. Okay, so we continue to turn the page. You want mommy to shine
in my knee.
You want me to film your leg? You shine your knee, your leg. You had the mosquito bite here. Oh, don't scratch. Okay, leave it there. Okay, we turn the page. Junior, turn the page for mommy. Yes, the toad. Where's the sound of the toad? Okay, look at this page. I am a toad, and I live in the damp places. I eat worms, insects, and snails. Where are the snails? No, I don't see the snails here. But they said that the frogs, they eat worms, insects, and snails. That I catch with my tongue. Oh, the frog catches the insect with his tongue. His tongue is long, right? I'm famous in fairy tales for turning into a prince when a princess kisses me. Junior, this is the princess, and the princess is gonna kiss the toad. Okay, so how many toads are there, Junior? How many toads are there? Can you count? 1, 2, and 3, right? There are 3 toads in the... One more here, that's right. And one more here, and one more here. So how many in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Excellent, Junior. So there are 6 toads here. Okay, so do you see the moon, crescent moon? That's right. Okay, let's hear the sound of the toad one more time, and then we turn the page. That's right. Okay, so now you can turn the page. Is it this page? No. Stick 2 pages at the same time. Okay, so this one, badger. It looks like a skunk, right? I think it's a skunk. Okay.
No, here.
Here, this page. Okay. So
this page.
Oh, this one? Oh no. Not this one. Yes, that's right. But we missed this page. This page first. Cicada. This page first, Junior. Cicada. Okay, so you want to hear the sound of cicada?
Cicada?
Yeah, cicada. Cicada. Let's hear the sound of cicada. Is here, right? It's here. Let me help you.
No, Junior.
Junior wanna do it? Why don't you? Don't be grumpy. Why don't you do it by yourself? When me ask, why didn't you do it by yourself? If you don't do it, mommy do it. Don't be grumpy, okay?
Mommy, don't do it. Let Junior do it.
Okay, let Junior do it, but Junior have to tell mommy that I want to do it, Mommy. Mommy, I want to do it by myself.
I want to make myself.
Don't be grumpy. There's nothing to get angry with Mommy. Should you say sorry to Mommy?
Sorry, Mommy.
Okay, so don't get angry easily like that, okay? Don't get mad. Okay, don't be grumpy. Be gentle, okay? Yes or no? Yes, Mommy?
Mommy, down.
You wanna press the button, right? Okay, let me let you press the button by yourself. Okay, let's hear the cicada. You want Mommy to read the book for you? Do you want to hear Mommy read the book?
It's not.
Do you want Mommy to read the book for you? You want to hear the stories of cicada? Alan, okay. So move back. Okay, move back. Oh no, Mommy haven't finished this page. Mommy haven't finished. Okay, so we continue. Cicada. I am a cicada and I sing all summer long. They can sing, you know. During the winter, I hibernate underground. They sleep underground.
Daddy.
Mommy. And what else? Baby. Okay, so we have Mommy, Daddy, and 2 babies, right? 2 babies on the ground. Okay. I sing by rubbing my 2 wings together. They rub their 2 wings. Do you see the wings here? You see the wings of the cicada here? They rub their wings to sing. That's how the sound. Now let's hear the sound again. Let's hear the sound again. Press the button. Press the button to hear the sound of cicada again. They rub the wings. See? They rub the wings. Okay, so that's how they sing. They're rubbing, 2 wings together, and in the winter they hibernate underground. Okay, so want Mommy help you to turn the page? Yes. Okay. So badger or bagger. Junior want to press the button.